Looking for a safer, comfier way to keep your baby cozy at night? The premium Microfleece baby sleeping sack offers just that, a soft, wearable blanket designed to replace loose bedding and help your little one sleep better and safer. Whether your baby is ready to transition from swaddling or you want to avoid the risks of loose blankets, this sleeping sack wraps your baby in gentle warmth without any fuss. What makes this sleeping sack stand out? It's crafted from 100% imported microfleece that feels incredibly soft against delicate skin and holds up wash after wash. The exclusive design, created by artist and mom Lynette Damir, adds a cheerful touch that's both stylish and practical. Plus, the handy two-way zipper is a real game changer. It unzips from the top to make placing your baby inside effortless, and zips up from the bottom for quick diaper changes. No more struggling or waking your baby unnecessarily. The zipper guard also protects your baby's skin, so comfort and safety go hand in hand. Sizing is simple, with 3 options to fit your growing baby. Small for 0 to 6 months, up to 28 inches, medium for 6 to 12 months, up to 32 inches, and large for 12 to 18 months, up to 35 inches. Parents across the U.S. appreciate how this sleeping sack grows with their child. One mom shared she wished she had sized up sooner because her taller 8-month-old quickly outgrew the medium. That's a helpful tip if your baby tends to be on the taller side. If you're ready to make nights easier and safer, this Microfleece sleeping sack is worth a look. It combines the softness your baby deserves with the practical features parents need. Machine washable and designed to last, it's a smart addition to your nursery essentials. Try it when you're ready to give your baby the cozy, secure sleep environment they and you deserve.